Good morning. It's 6:45. I've been up for like 20 minutes, but I've been scrolling on my phone. So we gotta actually get up and get our day started. I have zero plans for the day. I have like a couple things I want to get done, but like no actual plans, which is kind of nice. So we'll see what we get into. I had a visitor this morning. She's so cute. She sleeps in the living room in her bed, but like every once in a while she'll whine and want up on my bed so that we can cuddle. I think it's when she gets cold, but sometimes it happens like multiple times a night and then I'm up every couple of hours, but I cannot complain. Hi guys, I haven't talked in forever. I think the last thing I videotaped was me on a walk. Now it's like 4:30 and that was at like 10 a.m. So it's been a hot minute. I'm about to go to the store, so I put on a cute little outfit. These are my slippers, but some white linen pants from Target. My mom got me this sweater for Christmas, so I'm not sure where it's from. And then I have a Lululemon sports bra on because if I'm being honest, I didn't shower after my walk. But when I was walking, it wasn't this hot yet and it was very windy, so I don't feel gross, which is good. Like I said, I went on a walk at like 10 a.m. this morning and then I came back, had some lunch because that walk took me like an hour, and then I cleaned out our middle bedroom. So our middle bedroom just has a twin bed in it. When I move out, I normally take my furniture with me, so when I like come visit home, I'll just sleep in the twin bed in the spare bedroom. And I just had a bunch of stuff on it from moving because it's things that I didn't want to keep in the garage, but I also didn't want to put down in the basement because if it rains super hard, like it will flood a little bit and I just didn't want to risk it. So I cleared off that bed, got everything taken care of, rearranged it because we're getting a piano. Actually, my mom and I both want to learn how to play piano and our church was giving one away for free, so we said we'd take it, and that's also going to go in the middle bedroom. I'm trying to think what else I did, but honestly that took a long time. I kind of organized the kitchen a little bit because I wanted to store my blender out there instead of having to like haul it out from the spare room each time. And I think that's it. I literally can't think. I'm like having a brain fart. I'm like in the weirdest mood right now. I feel like really brain foggy. I'm like shaking even though I ate and I've drank so much water today. I just don't know what's going on. I'm gonna go to the store. I need some groceries, and then I also want to go to Home Goods, well, Marshall's, to look at some pillows. I want a new pillow. I think I need another like decorative pillow for my bed. But I don't know. I really like this fit though. Super cute. It's like almost 80 out, but it's really windy, and since it's like not even May yet, I feel weird wearing shorts. But I have a hair mask in, so she looks really greasy, and I'm not loving this. So I hope I don't see anyone I know. You guys, I'm just in the weirdest mood, and I already said that, but I just can't get out of it. That's what I was afraid of. Oh, hold on. I have you guys stuck to the wood like above the kitchen sink, and it kind of keeps falling, and if it actually falls, it's going right into the sink and probably gonna crack my phone. So I think I should probably move this. There we go. All right, welcome to my kitchen. My grandma hand painted this, but welcome to my kitchen. Just got back from Meijer, so I'm gonna give you guys a haul. 1 second. Ignore the back table. I was cleaning today and I need my mom to look through this stuff before I just pitch it. Okay, we have flowers. These are called alstromerias, and I looked it up and they're like some form of a lily, and they're not, most websites said not poisonous to cats. One said like mildly poisonous, but I think they're safe. So I had to look for flowers that are safe for cats because my cat loves to jump on my nightstand and eat my flowers. And last time I had tulips, he ate some of the leaves and then puked all day. So that was really fun. I needed more creamer, so we got creamer. Olipop's were 2 for $4. I have the lemon lime and the root beer. I wanted the cherry vanilla instead of the root beer, but there was someone standing in my way and it was a worker and I didn't feel like interrupting his job, so I just grabbed the closest one, which was the root beer. More bananas. I feel like I go through so many bananas. I love eating them, obviously, and then I always make a blueberry banana peanut butter smoothie with like protein powder. So good. So more bananas. 2 lemons because I need to get back on my warm lemon water in the morning grind, so hopefully these inspire me. Lastly, some blueberry cheesecake muffin mix. We have potato soup for dinner tonight, so I'm gonna make some of these. That was it. I'm gonna cut the flowers and then start making the muffins. My mom is still gone, but it's almost 6 o'clock. Well, she's been gone a long time now that I'm thinking about it, but she should be home soon, so I'll hopefully have the muffins done by the time she gets here. Getting the muffin tin ready. We have reusable muffin, what is this called? A muffin holder? I don't know. Why am I blanking? Like a muffin tin, but it's not tin. I don't know. Y'all. I don't know. Cute. Here we go. Gotta mix up the muffins now. I should heat the oven first. Always check your oven. One time I didn't, and there was a plastic tray of cookies in the oven, and I was like making a pizza, so then when it beeped like it was preheated, I opened the oven to flames and smoke, and I panicked and called my mom. I feel like, so I'm an only child, but the good kind. I've been told multiple times, wow, you're normal for an only child. I'm like, thanks. I didn't realize being an only child was a bad thing. That's how normal I am. I think it's because I had a lot of friends with older sisters growing up, so don't worry. I was bullied good. I forgot where I was going with that. Only child. Oh, I think only children are good at vlogging because we're used to talking to ourselves. I'm home alone, which is normal for me. I'm talking to you because normally I'm just talking to myself, so I don't know. That's my thought of the day. I'm wondering if I should have like buttered up these muffin holders, but I don't think I feel like it. Oh fuck. Then we just need a half a cup of milk. That's a lot of milk. I'm a little sensitive to milk. Normally I would use almond milk, but I don't have any right now. And my mom always just has normal, so we'll just get a bellyache later. It's okay. I just realized I do have almond milk, but I already poured this, and I could pour it back in, but I think I'm just gonna risk it for the stomachache. I feel like it needs more than this, but it said just milk. All right. She looks really good. It probably doesn't look good on camera. It kind of looks gross, but I promise you it looks good. I'm not gonna spray anything in here. I might regret it, but we're gonna go for it. If you watched this far, comment muffin so I know who actually watches this far. I keep looking behind me because I'm scared someone's gonna walk in because I have the door, like our screen door open. Oh fuck, okay. But yeah, comment muffin because I want to know who actually watches this far. And if you are watching this far, thank you. What kind of videos do you want to see? I live a really boring life. I should do like a get ready with me, get to know me kind of vibe. Or maybe like a walk and get to know me because I don't really get ready that often. gonna put you on the microwave. I never updated you about Marshall's. I did go into Marshall's. It was very busy, so I didn't record anything other than me walking in. And I also didn't get anything. I'm on the hunt for either a notebook or a to-do list. And I found a really cute notebook in there, but I'm kind of leaning more towards just like a notepad with the to-do list because all I want to do is write down things I have to do. I also really want an undated calendar or planner, undated planner, because I feel like I don't fill my planner out every day, so it'd be nice to be able to like skip a day and not have to waste a page, you know? Clara Pierce put me onto those. I saw them in her video, so I'm on the hunt for that. But my issue is I don't want to pay a lot of money and I can't find one in person, and the only ones online are from like the fancy journal companies, and I'm not trying to pay that. Here they are on my nightstand. I think they look cute. I always leave them really tall the first day, like too tall for the vase, because I cut them every day. And then eventually, like tomorrow and the next day, they'll be like the perfect length or height, whatever. But normally I also get like some filler flowers, but like I said, I can only get ones that are non-toxic to cats because my cat likes to eat them. It's 9 o'clock. I'm ending off the vlog here. Obviously, I'm in bed and I'm editing this vlog currently, so that hopefully I can post it tonight or tomorrow. But I hope it was somewhat interesting to watch. I don't have an exciting life. I live at home, I work, that's about it. But I feel like we need more people who live normal lives to post so that like we can relate. And like I'm watching Maggie McDonald's old vlogs, and like in her old vlogs, like she was in school and stuff, but it's still very unrelatable. Love her, but I want to see someone who works and doesn't do much. Like I want to follow you around your house. That's how I want to feel. So that's what I tried to do. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hopefully I keep posting. I always say I'm gonna post and then I never post, so we'll see if I keep it up. All right. Bye.